Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 4th, subject Marigold. Textbook. Unit 6. Page number 99. In our last video, we have completed our work in page number 96 to 98. Now today, we are going to start our work from page number 99, question number 5. Match A with B and write the complete sentences below. So here two column given, A and B. So here we have to match these two column and we have to complete sentences. Okay, so let's see. First column, first word is whenever, it's showing time. Whoever, it's showing a person, about person. And wherever, it's showing a place. Then B column, I go, I have friends. I am hungry, I eat. Comes first, wins. So here you have to make sentences. So let's see first one. First we use whenever. Whenever I am hungry, I eat. Then here we make this. Then whoever comes first wins. So this one. And wherever I go, I have friends. So this way. And here you have to write these sentences. Okay. Whenever I am hungry, I eat. Whoever comes first wins. And wherever I go, I have friends. Okay, now question number 6. Complete the following stories by using an appropriate word from the box given below. So here appropriate words given like my, his, he, your. So here a story given. We have to fill all these blanks with help of these words, appropriate words. Okay, so let's see. First of all, let's read, then we will complete. Ram was a farmer. Des wanted to sell Des goats and sheep. So he went to the market. There Des sold all Des animals to a rich man and got a lot of money. When he was going back to Des village, three thieves stopped him. Stop, give us all Des money. Ram was very clever. He said, I'll give this money to the strongest of you. On hearing this, the thieves started fighting amongst themselves. Ram slipped away quietly. So let's see. So now you all know about this story. So let's see. Ram was a farmer. Yes. Then Des wanted to sell Des goats and sheep. So Ram was a farmer. He wanted to sell his goats and sheep. So he went to the market. There they sold all these animals to a rich man. So there he sold all his animals to a rich man and got a lot of money when he was going back to Des village. So here we write his village. Then three thieves stopped him. Stop, give us all your money. Then Ram was very clever. He said, I will give you money to the strongest of you. On hearing this, the thieves started fighting amongst themselves. Ram slipped away quietly. Okay, now let's see next one. Sitting on a tree, a crow was enjoying a piece of bread. A hungry fox wanted to have that bread. They said very sweetly, "Dear brother, I have heard that this voice is very sweet. Please sing a song for me." The foolish crow opened his beak and the piece of bread fell down. The fox picked it up in his mouth and ran away. Okay, now let's fill all these blanks. Sitting on a tree, a crow was enjoying a piece of bread. A hungry fox wanted to have that bread. So they said very sweetly. So here we write he said. He said very sweetly, "Dear brother, I have heard that this voice is very sweet." So who's what he said? Yes, your voice. Your voice is very sweet. Please sing a song for me. The foolish crow opened his beak and the piece of bread fell down. The fox picked it up in his mouth and ran away. Okay, understand? Now let's see next work. Okay, now question number 7. Some words have similar sounds but different meanings. Choose the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. So here some blanks given. We have to fill all these blanks with help of these words. Here two similar word given, but they have spelled differently and they have different meaning, but pronunciation are is same. Okay, so let's see. This word is bow and bow. So let's see which we will use. First blank is A. The bird sits on a desk. The bird sits on a desk. So where they sit? Yes. Bow or bow? Where they sit? Yes. So Boughh. This Boughh. Now second one, B. The squirrel has a long desk. The squirrel has a long desk, tail and tail. So which will come? Yes, tail. 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 Then C. I have to leave at this. Here two given, two, TOO2 and TWO2. So TWO2. I have to leave at 2. Then D. This sum is this. Right and right. So here we use RIGHT. That means correct. And this right is showing action to writing. So this sum is right. Then E. I can dash the bird's song. Here and this one here. So we write here HEAR here. Then F. Do you dash a secret? Do you dash a secret? No and no. So here KNOW. Do you know a secret? Then G. The king sits on the desk. Throne and this one throne. So we write THRONE. Throne. The king sits on the throne. Then H. He is our school desk. He is our school desk. So here option given principal and principal. Both have same, but correct one is this one. PRINCIPAL. Principal. So here PRINCIPAL. Principal. Okay, now all this work you have to complete it in your Marigold workbook. Okay, thank you.